113 days. That's all I have left to finish my parkour speedrunner game. Why? Because that's when I turn 30, and I'm already 1 year into my 6-month project at this point. Right now, I'm trying to design a new level from scratch, but the movement is feeling a bit flat. Today, I'm gonna fix that. Welcome to a fairly average day as a part-time indie developer working on my first commercial project. Today, I'm adding a new mechanic that I'm hoping will add more depth to the movement. I'm calling this flow state. This will increase each time you move within a set time frame, rewarding the player for faster play. First things first, I need a system to manage the flow state. For this, I'll just detect whenever the player has landed on a new platform, then I just need to store a flow state value and increase it each time the movement is detected, and then I'll add a max value and a threshold for when to increase movement speed. And then I'll add a speed boost value and multiply it by the current flow state threshold, and I'll throw in some UI elements and display the current values. For the progress bars, I just used 2 overlapping rectangles and changed the size of them based on the current value as a percentage of the max value. I'll also sprinkle in some particle effects for when the movement speed increases, and bam, I have my mechanic. The effects in UI are all placeholders for now, as I want to test all of it before I spend too much time polishing it. And boy, fast forward to now, I'm glad I did this. I tested it all, and it really didn't feel good. The game relies on precision platforming at its core, and if you adjust the movement speed whilst you're moving, it completely throws out your rhythm and makes it harder rather than better. So yeah, I'm probably going to scrap the mechanic entirely, and that's the day mostly down the drain. But that's the nature of indie dev and getting to experiment with things, and in hindsight, I should have probably just focused on the level today. Ah well, sometimes as an indie dev, the most progress is made by just removing things. And I still have.